Welcome to Virtuousgist Skills. My name is Nancy. In today's Skill Matters, we are going to be looking together how to make Kelewele all the way from Ghana. It is a spicy Ghanaian plantain. If you come to Ghana and you do not taste it, that means you do not really reach Ghana. As a Nigerian who have been in Ghana for so many years, I have been able to learn a lot of their food, eat a lot of their food, and also make a lot of their food. So today I just decided to bring this Kelewele to your doorpost. And the recipes we have today in making this Kelewele are, first of all, in our asanka, I have my dry ingredients, which are salt, calabash nut milk, black pepper, and some cloves. Okay, the basic thing we are making is ripe plantain. You use ripe plantain for Kelewele, you don't use unripe plantain. Okay, yeah. So the other ingredients we have there are our Habanero pepper, our onion, our garlic, our ginger, and we also have our vegetable oil for frying, which is not on the table here. You can also feel free to use your red chili pepper. It is also very good, but I just decided not to use red chili pepper but to use Habanero pepper. Yes, let's get started by slicing our plantain first. In slicing of the plantain, there are different ways of slicing this plantain. Okay, I'm going to show you only 2 ways of doing it. Yeah, I have peeled my plantain already because I don't want to waste time on this video. This is how it goes. I keep this one. The first one, you do it this way, you cut it this way, and you cut it this way. Okay, this way. Then the second one, like me, I don't like that much time wasting. I do it like this, 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 which also comes out very nice. After cutting it, then I will set it aside and start grinding my recipes. Yeah, so right now let's start grinding our dry ingredients. Okay, as you can see, guys, this requires enough energy. Okay, but at the end of the day, you will really get the smoothness you are looking for. Okay, so now I want to add my ginger and garlic at the same time. I will keep blending it too with other ingredients. This is how they do it here, and we join them because we like it. Now I will add my screwed bonnet pepper and my onion so that I'll grind them together. As you can see, I don't really think I can do it more better than the Ghanaians. It's okay. So what I will do next now is to introduce my plantain again and scoop in the ingredient right inside the plantain. So right now I'm going to use all these spices to marinate the plantain. This stage is what really makes it the kelewele and the spicy plantain. This stage I am now is very, very important. Okay, I'm telling you, Ghanaians don't play with this food. So after marinating the plantain, what I will do now is to cover it for it to marinate very well. Then we'll get back to you and tell you the next stage. Guys, this is another part that is very, very important in this kelewele. Okay, now I have preheated my oil. Now you must fry in a low heat. I will start frying. I scoop it in. You scoop another one in. Remember, as you scoop it in, you will not turn it. Okay, you will allow it to separate itself, because if you turn it at this stage, according to my Ghanaian friend, all the ingredients that you use to coat it will all disappear. They will stay on their own and the plantain will stay on its own, which is not really what we want. Okay, the plantain will separate itself. So it's separating. So, but I don't know whether you guys are really getting what I'm doing here. Separating. Are you guys seeing it? So on this stage now, you will keep watching it. Your eyes must be here, you know. This is how you keep watching it until it is golden brown. Okay, yeah. So guys, as you can see, your eyes can give the result that the kelewele is ready and it is golden brown. My friends behind the scene are just giving me thumbs up as a Nigerian doing this. Okay, so, and the ingredients stick to the body. That means I did it well. Can you see? Yeah. So this is kelewele for you. We always enjoy eating Ghana here. This is one of their food that my children can never do without. So I will remove all these excess ingredients so that they will not spoil the next one I want to put. Okay, it is very important. So I'm going to put the next batch, and after that I will get back to you to show you the end result. Guys, this is the very last batch. You can see all of them are stick to the plantain. Remember, I put this in my napkin inside the drainer to absorb all the excess oil. Okay, so it's very important. Yeah, our kelewele is ready, guys. Let's go to the table and do it some good. Guys, the kelewele is ready. As you can see, it has been set on the table already. The first plate you are seeing there is how I'm going to serve it now to my Ghanaian friends here. I'm serving it with baked beans and egg. This is the kelewele itself. You can eat it like that if you choose so. You can eat it with wache, which is Ghanaian rice and beans. You can also eat it with white rice. Whatever you choose to eat it with is okay. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, this is the best time for you to do so, okay? Like our page anytime you finish watching our video because it is very important. Share this video to your friends and loved ones. It will help the video to go viral. Drop your comment after watching this video because it will encourage us to bring more to your doorpost. Until we come your way next week with another beautiful and lovely recipe, I remain your host, Nancy. Thank you for watching this video to the end and remain blessed. Bye bye.